It is not normal for you to be spending so much money on car repair. Cars, equipment and machineries are designed to be very durable. Share this video with your loved ones because it will help them. Proactive maintenance. Your vehicle, like other equipment, need maintenance. Some people will tell you that because they've changed oil, they've done maintenance for their car. No. There are a lot of other components that need to be serviced or replaced during your routine maintenance. Reliable technician. Get a very reliable technician. Now, if you find a reliable technician, my brother, try to stick to him. There are some problems that it is not your technician's fault, but it will come and it will look like it's the technician's fault. Be patient with your technician. Try to be a resourceful person. One thing I noticed from some customers, if you go to their booth, you see coil, you see ignition plugs, you see fuel pump, you see a lot of items that can help them during an emergency. Let's say you are stuck in a village area or in the bush, and then you need to change fuel pump or change one or two things. Those ones you keep in your boots will be the ones to help you. Some people keep fan belts, a lot of things. There are some items that you should have originally. If a mechanic say I want to change this, you should just bring it out and say, okay, take, I have it. Learn more about cars. There are a lot of debit alerts that you will avoid if you know a thing or two. You want to keep track of your vehicle repair spending. You want to be sure that this thing I paid for last month is not the same thing that this technician is telling me to buy again.